OPEN stock analysis, last day of the week, Friday. Am I buying or am I not? This is not just for Friday, but for Friday and the next week. I'm going to be breaking this down in this 1 minute video. And as the only guy in this space with a freaking track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. I mean, just needless to say, I'm looking to buy this market. If you have been following me and also some ideas in my Discord, in the trade alert section, you will know what I'm talking about. But also I do have a lot of receipts with open with 45 results in the disc. But yeah, other than that, like lower time frame, I got the double break that I was hoping I see. I'm just therefore looking to double down on this even more. All right, nothing crazy. The swing top that I got from this double break that I wanted to still here. So I'm like literally just waiting for a decent 100% increase, but it is what it is. So let me know what is your opinion. Like lower time frame, I would better just still buy if it pulls down and gives me the confirmation. But other than that, I'm just waiting. Goodbye and enjoy. And if you want free sauce, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.